Okay everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to video screen record on your Windows 11 laptop. Okay, now let's jump into the screen record and I will share you where you can video screen record. So now just get into the video. Okay, now we on the Windows screen and you can see now I am recording the screen video, and to do that you need this application. It's called the OBS Studio and you can find out one inside your computer. So now just select this window, start, and after that go to Microsoft Store, and if you cannot see the Microsoft Store here, just typing on the search bar here Microsoft Store. Okay, after open it, you now select on the search bar finding OBS Studio. Okay, after that just install this application to your computer, and now open the OBS Studio. And if you cannot find the OBS Studio that already installed to your computer, just search on the search bar once more time OBS Studio. Okay, and then just launch it. And after you open the app, you will find this screen is empty. So to get the record screen, just press this plus button and then you need to select display capture. Okay, after select display capture, you will see the display capture one inside here. And to record, you now select this one, start record. Because I already pressed start record, so this button is become stop recording. Okay, and before you press start record, now select some setting first. File, setting. First of all, I want you to go to video, and now you can select your resolution to the resolution that you want. Okay, and another thing is the output. This one, select it to simple, and now here you need to browse where you want to output your file to that folder and select your folder. And here is the replay time and the maximum of your limited file size. After that, go to advanced. And now if you want to automatically remove your file to MP4 file, just click on it and apply. Okay, and now press OK, and now you can start record and play around with it. Okay, now I open the output folder. So this one is my selected output, so it will generate the file here, and after I stop record, it will show the file on this folder. Okay, so now that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can screen record on your Windows 11 laptop. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. Bye bye and have a nice day.